Amazon links with the best price in the description.
I couldn't be happier with my purchase of the Lenovo V-Series V15 Laptop bundle. This laptop truly delivers exceptional value for the price, especially when you consider the powerful combination of hardware and thoughtful accessories. First off, the performance is more than impressive. With 16GB of RAM and a superfast 1TB SSD, multitasking is smooth and seamless. I can easily run multiple apps, dozens of browser tabs, and work on large files without any lag. The Intel Celeron Dual-Core processor is surprisingly capable for daily tasks, from office work to streaming and light creative projects. The 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display is a treat for the eyes. Whether I'm working under bright lights or enjoying a movie, the visuals are sharp, vivid, and easy on the eyes thanks to its anti-glare coating and decent brightness level. It really enhances the overall user experience. I also appreciate the excellent variety of ports: USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and more, making it incredibly convenient to connect all my devices without needing extra dongles. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity work flawlessly, ensuring I stay connected whether at home or on the go. Windows 11 Home runs beautifully on this machine, providing a fresh, user-friendly interface with useful productivity features and even compatibility with Android apps, which is a huge bonus. And let's not forget the cherry on top: the Thunderobot Purple Wireless Mouse included in the bundle is fantastic. It's comfortable to use, responsive, and its stylish purple color adds a fun pop of personality to my setup. Plus, the ergonomic design and silent clicks make it perfect for long work sessions. Overall, this is an excellent laptop package for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a reliable, fast, and stylish computing solution. Lenovo has done an outstanding job with this V-Series V15. Highly recommended.
Amazon links with the best price in the description.